me, what time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
It's 4 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, my name is Tang. Nice to meet you.
My name is Tang. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Tang, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Nice name.
Thanks. Zona is good too.
Thanks. How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
So 19 years old. Aren't you?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 2 years.
So you've been here for 2 years, haven't you?
Yes.
Where do you come from?
I come from Hưng province.
So you come from Hưng province, don't you?
Yes.
How often do you visit your family?
Every week. I visit my family every week.
Every week?
Yes.
Do you miss your family?
Yes, I do. I miss very much.
Very much?
Yes.
How far is it from here to the house?
About 40 kilometers. It's about 40 kilometers from here to my house.
40 kilometers?
Yes.
How do you usually go home?
By bus. I usually go home by bus.
By bus?
Yes.
How much does it cost to go home by bus?
About 24,000 Vietnam đồng it costs. About 24,000 Vietnam đồng to go home by bus.
24,000?
Yes.
And how long does it take you to get there?
About 2 hours. It takes me 2 hours to get there.
Over 2 hours?
Yes.
May I have the phone number?
Yes, of course. It's 01675.
It's 01675.
Yes. 784.
784.
Yes. 017.
017.
Yes. It's 01675. 784 017.
So the phone number is 01675 784 017, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later. Ciao, ciao.
Ta-ta.